Hello guys, welcome back to One True Legend. Today we're back with another brand new drone flight. We are in a place called Hackney in East London. So without further ado, let's take off. Let's go to the max height. As you can see, nice sunny day here in February. Not too windy. So we're going to do a 360-degree photo. Yesterday when I flown, it was windy. I did a drone flight yesterday. I went to Kingston and then Acton as well. So let's get a tour of this area. Right, we're going to do a 360-degree photo. Alright, so let's get back into the video mode and just start filming. So, got this overground train right here. Let's follow it. So, over there is a place called Hackney Central. We're going to go towards Hackney Central. Let's go down there. Just see what's down there. There's solar panels. We've got the main centre right over here. Got a nice little garden here. And let's go to the town centre and let's get a tour of it. So it's a really nice shot on this bright sunny day. Got a Tesco there as well. We'll just orbit around this little junction right over here. Then we'll get a shot of the Tesco. So there's a Tesco right over here and there's another overground train. Nice shot. Look at that, look at the train going. Looks really colourful in this area. I wonder what it'll look like in the summer. So what we're going to do, we're going to just turn around now. Let's get a tour of the area. So you can see the iPhone 17 Pro logo right here. Look at that. You can clearly tell that's what it is. That's the town hall apparently. You've got the town centre right over here. What else have we got? We'll go back down there again. Tesco. So I'm using my DJI Mini 4 battery, which I've got in this Mini 3 Pro drone. It's good that they made it compatible with each other. So I can use a Mini 3 battery in a Mini 4 Pro drone. Let's keep up the speed of this car. Let's try and keep the car. Let's do a challenge. Let's keep the car in the centre. Actually, she's moving there now. Let's keep this van in the centre of the frame. We're gonna sync the speed up with the van, and we'll see how fast the van's actually going. It's stopped down in traffic. Actually, let's follow this blue car down. Looks like that stopped as well. We'll just stay here for a bit. There's cars going 20 miles an hour and we're going at the exact same speed, which is actually insane. It seems to have sped up a little bit. Gone sports mode. Because of the wind, the drone's moving a bit slower. It's supposed to go 30 miles an hour, but the drone's not going 30 miles an hour. Let's track it. Let's see how far we can track it. Yeah, we can track it quite easily. It's going down there now. We're not going to go that far. We're just going to stay in this area now. And we got the other side, we got Dalston. Let's go towards Dalston. I'm not sure where Dalston's on the other side. Let me check on the map. We'll find Dalston, so it's fine. I think Dalston's on this side. Let's go towards Dalston right now. I'm moving with the wind quite. There's no wind though. I don't know why it says it's windy, but maybe up there it's windy. Actually, the wind's come here now. I'll just stay in this area while I navigate through this. aggression. I dropped my mic. Oh my god. I dropped at the start point. You know what, I'm lucky. I remembered where the start point was, because I'm not sure if it was still connected, but luckily it was at where I took off. I don't know how long it was off my chest for. The magnets come off somehow. You probably didn't hear me for a long time. I don't know how long you didn't hear me for, but I've got my action camera back on so you can hear me. So I turned it back on so you can hear me, but yeah, you probably didn't hear me for a while because I walked away from my takeoff point. Fell off again. The mic's knackered. The magnet's knackered somehow. I need to fix that. Yeah, I was slowly walking away from where I took off and I realised my mic's not there, just the magnet was there. And that might have ruined my video a bit, but luckily I remembered the exact point where I took off, because there was a pole right there. I went next to the pole because it's grass, long grass. I would have not known where I dropped it, but luckily. And it's still on, which is good. Yeah, I need to make sure that magnet doesn't fall off again, otherwise, because I nearly lost it when I flown in Lewisham, but luckily I saw it, and it happened again here. Yeah, I was worried that I was not going to be able to find it because it's long grass, but I luckily saw it right there. I think because I'm wearing thick clothing, and when I wear thick clothing, the magnet's much weaker. I'm not sure where Dalston is. I think it's up there. In fact, in trying to find Dalston, I've just knackered my battery, so I might not be able to go there now. Yeah, I don't even know where Dalston is. Oh well, we'll get a nice shot here. I'll fly in Dalston next time. Maybe I might go there again because I got a second battery. But I'm thinking of I wanted to fly somewhere I haven't been before. I'll see though. And the thing is, I forgot to start. I usually screen record on my phone as a backup, but I forgot to do that. I don't know what this area is, but we'll just get shot at quickly. Oh no, it's down there. Actually, we don't have enough battery for that now. We're going to come back. Look at that, insane. We'll get a shot of this tower block quickly. And there's a fly casually chilling on my... There's a fly chilling on my screen. Look at that. You can see a little bit of a puddle on top of the building right there. Look at that. Then we'll go towards the other building here. I wanted to get a shot of this one as well quickly before the battery runs out. Look at that, that's actually insane, look at that. Right, let's start heading back now. Gonna land the drone. There's actually a lot to see down here. Let's come back, I'll get a shot down here. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight here in Hackney, in East London. Except for when I dropped my microphone at the takeoff point. I don't know how my mic's going to sound like, but for a brief moment in the video, you're probably not going to hear me. And I didn't record anything. I didn't record on my phone. I use the screen recorder on my phone to get a backup microphone sound in case I lose the recording. And an action camera, but none of them was on, so I did lose the recording. Anyway, I'm gonna end this drone flight now. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.